Hey everybody, so in this tutorial I thought I would do this soft smoky brown eyeshadow look, and I've been scrolling through Pinterest and I saw so many Kendall Jenner pictures. She's just so pretty. She always has this like really nice matte soft brown smoky eye on, and I was like, okay, I gotta try this and make it simple for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and happy holidays in advance. Enjoy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is hydrate our skin. I'm using the CEO Sunday Riley Moisturiser, and we're going to work that in. I love this because it feels so fresh. Then I'm going in with my concealer. I'm covering all my blemishes. I don't know why I have so many this season, but I always apply my concealer first. I'm then using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation, and I like to use a cushion pad for this more than the sponge, and I feel like everything just goes on a lot better. I'm going to put some contour on. This is a Fenty Beauty Butta Biscuit Cream Contour. And I'm just using my base brush to actually work that in, applying a bit of a liquid blush just to have like a seamless blush effect. This is the NARS Torrid, and it's one of my favorite liquid blushes so far. To set, I'm using a Kose brightening powder. I love this because it's like one level up from my normal skin tone, and it brightens my whole face. For brows, I've been using eyebrow powder specifically. This is actually an eyeshadow. It's from Bobbi Brown. It's shade Mahogany, and I'm using this color to actually outline my brows first. I love using brow powders or powders in general for my brow because it makes it look softer than using a pencil. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in Taupe, and I'm using the darker color to fill in first and the lighter color in the front to soften it. And this is how I've been doing my brows every single day, and it's just so soft. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, back combing the brow first before brushing and shaping my brow hair. And this is gonna make my brows look super groomed. Time for eyeshadow. I'm using the new eyeshadow palette from the Tarte Holiday Collection, going with this matte brown in my socket. And I kind of actually want to wing this socket out so I can get a longer eye appearance. Then I'm using a darker matte brown, and I'm gonna push this right into my socket, which is a little lower than my first socket. So there are two socket colors going on. I'm using this dusty matte pink right on my eyelid all over as my main color or shade. And I'm keeping it all matte here. I normally put glitters and stuff like that, but I thought I'd just keep it super matte. Going in with that dark brown right in the corner of the eye and making sure to push it along the lash line too so that it looks more natural. And then also using the color to wing out. I'm also applying this in the inner corner to make a halo effect on my eye and pushing it with a smaller brush in my lower lash line. To top it off, I'm using a matte cream color right in the center of my lid just to add a little brightness. And then I'm using my eyeliner to create a wing liner look. So for my lashes, they are not lash extensions, they are individual lashes that I pasted on. So I'm actually going to curl them and apply mascara at this step, and I just love DIY individual lashes. And then I'm going to go in with my powder contour. I just want to make my cheeks stand out a lot more now, so I'm using NARS Laguna. It's an icon. And then I'm also using the Givenchy blush in Taffetas Rose, I believe. This is so pretty. I love this range of blushes from Givenchy. It's beautiful. And then for my lips, I'm just going to go with lip liner. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Pillow Talk lip liner, which is an icon as well. And I just love just putting it all over my lips. It's like the perfect dusty pink color. And I think the lip liner is actually better than the lipstick in my opinion. After that, I'm pretty much done, and it's just an easy kind of smoky eye that's really pretty. And I'm just going to spray my face with my favorite setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and I'm finished. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Keep in touch on Instagram at RoseanneTangeras, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!